Operating a three-dimensional printer requires a rock-solid, vibration-resistant foundation to avoid print shifting and layer defects. As manufacturing speeds continue to accelerate, a flimsy desktop simply cannot absorb the intense back-and-forth inertia generated by moving print heads and heavy build plates. Here is an exploration of three 3D printer stands that design to steady your machinery and streamline your manufacturing process.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Ahowpd stand. The stand functions as a heavy-duty, all-in-one workstation tailored for rapid prototyping environments. The sturdy, solid wood top provides a stable surface that fits most 3D printers. It can also be removed to hold filament spools, while the two lower shelves offer plenty of space to neatly organize your filament collection, helping keep your workspace clean and maximizing available space. Built with a durable 0.78-inch thick metal frame and a solid wood top with a baked paint finish, this storage rack is resistant to rust and corrosion. The screw-secured frame delivers excellent stability and can support up to 300 pounds for reliable, long-term use. Assembly is quick and straightforward, taking less than 15 minutes. A step-by-step video guide is included to make the setup process smooth and hassle-free. On number 2, we have Anrigeail Stand. The Anrigeail Stand prioritizes absolute structural rigidity to combat high-frequency machine tremors during intensive acceleration phases. A complete workstation designed for every stage of your 3D printing projects. It combines a sturdy printer stand, dedicated filament storage, a convenient drawer for tools and accessories, and 2 spacious storage shelves into one compact, space-saving design. Everything you need stays organized and within easy reach, helping you maintain a clean workspace and focus on creating your next project. The built-in power strip features 2 AC outlets and 2 USB ports, making it easy to power your 3D printer, laptop, lighting, and other essential devices from one convenient location. By reducing cable clutter and eliminating the need for extra power strips, it keeps your workspace neat and efficient, so you can spend more time printing and less time setting up. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame and reinforced with X-shaped support braces, this workstation offers outstanding strength and stability. On number 3, we have Pakasept Stand. The Pakasept Stand introduces verticality and advanced illumination to modern maker environments, making it ideal for monitoring extended print operations. Upgrade your 3D printing workspace with a rack that's built for both performance and convenience. More than just a sturdy stand, it features customizable LED lighting with 7 vibrant colors, allowing you to personalize your setup while providing extra illumination for your printing projects. Equipped with heavy-duty leveling casters, this rack stays stable even on uneven floors. The dual-wheel design offers enhanced support, while the locking mechanism keeps the stand firmly in place, preventing unwanted movement or vibration during printing for more consistent results. The built-in power hub includes 2 AC outlets and 2 USB ports, making it easy to power your 3D printer, laptop, lights, and other accessories from a single location. Constructed with durable MDF wood panels and a heavy-duty metal frame, this printer stand is built to resist rust and everyday wear. With a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, it provides a solid, vibration-resistant platform that delivers dependable performance and is designed to last for years. So, these are some of the best stands to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.